but it was just my mind playing tricks fly by. My compass knows when I am wrong. I let it be my guide, keeping the fire in my eyes. Take and leave, I'll take it away, just be and sink with me. Life at ease, there be no vacancy, only a name to be. When there's no room for your love, I'll hold that space if you want. I'll know it's hard enough as it is. Your faith is mine to keep. Relate to me your needs. I'll bring you that relief like a wish.
Chop life, make life no chop you. Woo! Just life, all life, more blessings, just long life, just prosperity, more money, death. Everything good in this world. We love you so much. We hope you enjoy today. Happy 2020. What?
On my 20th birthday, I went to the beach with some of my favorite people in the world, and we went to Cliff Haven Beach Resort. Spending my birthday at Cliff Haven was a beautiful, unforgettable, and amazing experience. The food was on point, the beach was so clean and so calm, and the vibes was just amazing. We had a picnic at the beachfront, we were served our food over there, we ate, we danced, we partied, and we just had an amazing time over there. So to get inside Cliff Haven, either we paid 40 Ghana cedis per person to enter, or book a room and our fee will be waived. So we decided to go with the room option, and as you can see, our room was huge. We had a queen size bed, and we also had a little small bed by the side for kids. So we spent the whole day there. We kept our stuff there while we were at the beach. My favorite part of Cliff Haven was the cocktail bar. We had the pina colada cocktail because we were at the beach. I wanted to feel the tropical vibe, and trust me, it was so delicious. And when I tell you that it made our beach experience worthwhile, it did. The food at Cliff Haven was good, and what I really liked about it was that it wasn't too expensive, so we were able to buy different dishes and just share it, and it was so good. In general, my experience was just an amazing one. I would definitely go back to Cliff Haven for that experience, and I recommend everyone to go to Cliff Haven too. If you want a perfect getaway spot, it's the perfect place because a lot of people don't know about it, and it's like a very quiet place to embark on a journey to Cliff Haven today, and trust me, you will have an amazing experience. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Remember that life is how you make it. Leave your comments below, let me know what you think about Cliff Haven, and until next time, I'm out. Peace out.
Your faith is mine.